4th of July! My name's Hara.
My name's Ryan.
And as you all know, this is IGZ, episode 5. To kick off the show, we're going to be doing some random debates. Converse versus pillows while drinking water. Converse come in many different colors. Pillows are soft and cuddly. Converse give you great protection. You can sleep on pillows, but you can't sleep on Converse. Try wearing pillows as your shoes. You won't get far. Pillows come in different designs. Converse, pillows, you choose. Ryan just went sleeping because she's really tired. What should I do while she's gone? Idea! Why do I give Ryan a makeover she can never forget? Come on. Hey Ryan, can I give you a makeover? Whatever. I'll take that as a yes. There. I'm done. Come on. The makeover is so silly. It's all over her face. Hi guys, I'm back. She didn't even notice. Notice what? Oops. Please don't hurt me. Oh, I'm gonna hurt you, even if it's the last thing I do. Batoon, let's share the market to the fireworks last year.